This demo video walks through the steps to log into SAP training systems. Before you watch this video, make absolute sure that you have installed the Citrix software and the security certificates, per the instructions you were sent in the confirmation email. This is critical. Without installing and testing Citrix, you will not be able to do the system-based exercises in your training class. The logon process is a bit complicated. It assumes you have installed and tested Citrix. This video is intended to simulate the process only. Do not, repeat, do not ask the instructor for the actual user ID and computer names for your specific training class. They will supply these to you after the class starts. The first step to log on is to access the website https://access.sap.com using Internet Explorer. The next step is to click on the region closest to you, for example, Americas. Now click on Training Landscape. At this point you need to enter your user ID and password. Then press Logon. The user ID and password will be supplied by your instructor at the start of the class. But here are some tips. Usernames normally begin with a capital letter and have a -0xx at the end that make them unique for each user. The XX will be your group/student number. So if you were assigned group number 18, your user ID would end in 018. Passwords use all capital letters and have a underscore, not a dash. Passwords are common for all users. After a few seconds the screen will appear with a few icons. Click on the remote desktop icon. Please wait about 30 to 45 seconds at this point. The next step is to enter the assigned remote computer for your class. Normally, the same remote computer is assigned for the whole class. However, for some classes each student is assigned a specific unique remote computer. Your instructor will inform you of the computer name to enter for your class. Clicking in the input area, enter the remote computer name assigned for your class. Then choose Connect. Remember, this is just a simulation. Don't ask your instructor for any specific login information. They will supply it after the class starts. At this point you will need to choose Other Account and enter your remote desktop user and password. The username is TrainXX, where XX is your student/group number assigned by the leader for your class. The password is all lowercase initial. Not your specific initials, just the actual word initial. When finished, press OK. At this point you should see a blue bar at the top of your screen. Great. You have logged into the PC you will be using for the class. From now on, make sure you use the Start button on this screen and not your Start button to access the training servers. For example, if this is a HANA class, you would access Start All Programs HANA Studio. If it was a ECC class, you would access SAP Logon Pad from the Start button on this remote PC. Thank you for watching, and even more importantly, installing and testing your installation of Citrix. For your information, this simulation/video was made with a very powerful SAP product called Workforce Performance Builder. It can generate training simulations in multiple languages and the associated documentation for both SAP and non-SAP software. It can even behave as an online tutor, walking an SAP user through a live SAP transaction, in whatever language they use. Access the website below to find out more.